Near freezing and freezing temperatures for tonight, the first cold spell of the season. But how prepared are you? Fox 4's Leslie Rangel takes a look at one local store that's stocked up and ready to help Southeast Texans prepare to get through the frigid temperatures.
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
Santa's greeting customers, Christmas trees are up, and the snow is here. Well, fake snow.
It's not going to be that bad, I don't think, but I'm ready.
But cold temperatures have some Southeast Texans getting themselves and their pets ready.
Get a doghouse ready for the cold weather.
They'll be snug as a bug in a rug.
And it also has the remote control to it.
Everywhere you look, almost everyone is bracing for the big chill.
I don't like heating up the whole house, so if I can just drag a space heater where I'm at, it's really more economical.
You got the heaters right here.
For many years, Elton Nugent has felt the winter months come and go at M&D Supply.
Every year it's basically just the basics. The pets and the plants and the pipes.
Bring your pets in, cover the plants, and insulate the pipes.
Make sure it's sealed. Don't leave anything open where air can get to it. Because if it's PVC or even copper, that air gets to it in that one spot, it'll bust it.
Nugent says it's not the only thing to worry about when cold comes rolling in.
You can set your own temperature.
Remember the space heaters?
You want them away from the wall, that way they don't conduct the heat back on the wall. Don't put them near anything like drapes or anything along those lines. And keep the children away from them.
And in case you forget the guidelines, they even have fire extinguishers handy.
Very inexpensive when you consider what could happen.
A small investment that could keep the weather Grinch away from you and your pets this cold season.
You're a mean one.
In Beaumont,
Mr. Grinch.
Leslie Rangel, Fox 4 News.
If you have any questions about space heater safety, you can call your local fire department.